Hi everyone. For a while now I have been looking for a Japanese knife in order to make my life easier while cooking. And I came through the Tojiro brand, which seemed to be quite good over a few tests. And I was looking for something not really big. And I came across the F313. It is part of the DP series, as you can see in front of you. It has a 13.5 blade, millimeters blade, and it is basically your average, not cooking knife, but really your average petty knife, an all-rounder for around the kitchen. So more on how the actual knife looks a little bit later. Oh, price-wise, from Messer Depot, look it up on the net. It came including the delivery at 49 euros, 35 for the knife and 14 euros for the delivery. More on that later on. Okay, so let's get one thing out of the way. Is this knife sharp as it comes out of the box? Paper, knife, sharp? Hell yeah! So let's look at the knife itself. This is the knife. It's fairly light, 70 grams or something like that. So that's good, and that's bad. Good, it doesn't get you tired, but it's not heavy enough to go through the tough stuff without a little bit of help. Now, let's look at the fit and finish. Fit and finish. The handle seems to be small, even my hands, which are very small, roughly get rounded, lengthwise. Other than that, the blade, it cuts. It doesn't seem to have any structural issues. Nice lettering on the side. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know how long that is going to last because it's not engraved. Other than that, the blade goes fully in, so that is a good thing in terms of sturdiness. And it's a plasticky, woody feeling with 3 rivets to keep it steady. So it looks very durable. There is only one, I don't know if you can see it, small coloring issue here and perhaps here as well. Other than that, it is very solid and it is very light and it cuts a lot, so it seems to be good. Now, it doesn't have any guard or something like that cold. For some people it may be a problem, for others not. I would like it to be a little bit wider so that my hands can fit better here and not have any issues with cutting myself. But other than that, it looks very good, and I'm really looking forward, after I wash it, to give it a good try. Well, that's the Tojiro DP 313, and thank you very much for watching this.